Hi, Konstantinos here from KitchenWhiz. As you may know, recently we added the ability to add KitchenWhiz and branded version of KitchenWhiz on your own website. So this week I took the initiative and added KitchenWhiz on my family's cabinet making business website. And in the past few days I started running Facebook ads to bring people from Facebook to this KitchenWhiz Branded Editor with my family's business logo and everything. So people visit the design editor and they can design their kitchen plan and they can submit their information, and we get the kitchen plan they created and we can contact them back with a quote and start the conversation. So now I want to show you the results. This is just the second day. We spent less than 15 euros or $20, and we already got 2 sales leads, and I want to show you now on my screen how it looks. This is my email inbox. So these are the 2 customers I received from KitchenWhiz today in behalf of my family's business. When the people from Facebook visited the branded editor. So if I open the one email, you can see this client has submitted their name, a description, their email, a phone number and the address, and here we have the project link that he created, and I can open it in my browser, and I have it here already opened. And as you can see, he created the whole room of the kitchen with the cabinets and everything, and I can see the plan in 2D also. The second customer didn't create the kitchen plan until the end. They only created their floor plan, but that's okay because I have their information and I can get things started with them and get them in a conversation and make them into a customer. So now I want to show you how I got these clients. And remember, I have been running these ads for only 2 days, and you can see basically I ran 2 basic ads. The first one is a video ad that had almost 2,000 views that watched at least 15 seconds of the 40-second video I added, and the video is just a video of the KitchenWhiz planner. It's very attention grabbing. And as you can see, I spent only 13 euros these 2 days, and I got these 2 customers, these potential customers, and these are approximately $15 in US dollars. And you can see that 500 people have watched the 40-second video 100%, so for the full duration, and 900 people they saw the video until 75% of the video duration. And then I have another ad that retargets the customers that saw the video and redirects them again back to the branded editor. I think this is a very interesting way to promote your cabinet making business, and it can also lead to a lot of productivity gains for your business and help you make you more profitable. And actually I want to set up a workshop that shows how this whole process works, how to bring customers from Facebook and get them on your branded kitchen design editor and then convert them into customers. And I want to know if you are interested in something like this. It will be like a web class that goes for 1 hour, and it will be for free. I'm not gonna charge you anything because I think a lot of business owners can benefit from this. They can benefit from using KitchenWhiz. They just need to learn how it works and how they can use it. So let me know if you are interested in this in the comments below. I will let this campaign run for a few more weeks and see. I'm very interested in seeing the results at the end. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and leave your comments below.